This is a really interesting look at what the future home may look like when we think of how we rely on digital voice assistants nowadays. This is showing you the ability of, rather than having one device somewhere in a room, on a shelf, on a counter, across the walkway, we can actually use a thumbnail-sized chip embedded into objects around the house, like chairs, like our shelves, like you see in the table over here, even in light fixtures and vases, so that I don't have to raise my voice, I don't have to struggle to reach that digital assistant. No matter where I am, I can speak regularly, and it's going to hear my commands like, Bixby, turn on the TV. Bixby, what's in my fridge?
Hi, Bixby. Dim the lights. Hi, Bixby. Preheat my oven. Hi, Bixby. Turn on the light. Try it one more time. Hi, Bixby. Turn on the light. You're gonna say goodbye as loud as you can to the sink.
Okay.
Ready?
Go on.
Hi, Bixby.
Goodbye.
Try it a little louder, come a little closer. Okay.
Making life simpler, making it more efficient to navigate your daily routine. That's what the whole intelligence of Internet Things is all about for Samsung.
Hi, Bixby.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Have a nice day.